Deep beneath the waves rests a legend forgotten by time, the 1937 Packard Super 8. Lower the main cable slowly. Watch the tension on the starboard side.
Systems check complete, ready for inflation.
Copy that. Proceed.
Crane, you are clear to rotate southeast. Maintain current ascent speed.
Keep the tension steady. We're clear of the water now. Bring it over the deck. Easy, easy. Bring it left a foot. Hold it right there. Perfect. Front straps are tight. How are the chains back there? Chains are secured. Cap, ready to roll.
The trim is completely shot here.
Yes, and the mechanical components look almost seized.
It's going to be a long process, but look at the quality of the original casting.
The structural integrity here is completely compromised.
Reading 4.2 millimeters on the chassis rail.
Okay, bringing it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the passenger side.
Got it. Looks good. Keep going.
Wow, that is unbelievable.
I have never seen anything like this. Look at the corrosion on the dash.
Careful with this bezel, it's fragile. Got it. It goes in the marked container, right? Yes, and label that harness clearly. This entire section here is completely delaminated.
I'm noting the deep, localized pitting on the chassis rail.
Make sure you get a macro shot of the casting numbers under the rust. Got it. The linkage is completely seized on this side.
I've logged the glass count. The pitting on the frame is worse than expected. Agreed. We should inform the client about the extra work required here.
This cavity measures almost 3 inches deep.
Yeah.
And the surrounding metal is completely compromised. We'll need a full section replacement here.
What are the readings on the suspension mount?
It's barely 2 millimeters thick here. Far too thin to save.
Check the rear left mounting point, it's binding. Yeah. Reading steady on the screen here. We need to replace this entire section here. Okay.
Yes, the corrosion goes too deep. The template confirms the cut line.
Look closely at this gear tooth right here. That pitting is significant.
Yes, I see it. It's definitely out of spec.
Check the alignment right here. We need to bring this edge down a fraction. Got it. It's almost perfect now. How does that gap look now?
Better, but I still need to smooth this seam out before we paint. Did you check the plating on the control arms?
Flawless, as always. We can start assembly. Check the alignment on the cowl, just to be sure.
It's absolutely flawless, right to factory specs.
Perfect. Let's get her prepped for the booth. Make sure the torque is exactly 75 foot-pounds.
Got it, 75. Check the alignment on the rear quarter.
Looks perfect from here. Ready for prep.
Keep coming down, easy now. Alignment looks good on this side. Okay, the wiring harness is secure. Good, make sure the ground is tight before we set the bezel. I think we should trim this edge slightly.
Yes, that will ensure a perfect fit for the sill plate.
Carefully align it with the wood trim there.
It's sitting perfectly now. The stitching is immaculate.
Excellent. Let's get the base secured. Torque set on this one.
Verified. Good to go.
Watch the clearance on the exhaust.
Clear. Going up.
Good, hold it right there while I torque the bolts. That is exactly what we wanted to see, smooth as silk.
It certainly is. The restoration is complete.
And she's alive. Data looks good, smooth as silk. Easy now, just a fraction more to the left. Okay, the gap looks perfect on this side. All right, torque it down slowly.
Look at that stance.
Absolutely perfect, isn't it?